Welcome back uh, to the channel. Hope all of you are doing great today. And now we are again live on gold trading. Okay, this analysis this analysis is based on my perspective. Okay, please do your own research also before doing anything. Now it's February 6th, and we are just going to analyze gold. Okay, analyzing the gold, we are just analyzing the gold, and it is just about the technical technical analysis which just show about the probability and how really the market move. How we can manage the profit, and how we can maximize the maximum outcome as we can. And if you cannot maximize the outcome, then there will be the shortage, and we cannot fulfill our daily need, and we cannot be a great trader also without maximizing the output, and without the proper strategy also. So I always suggest you to do the proper research before investing or doing anything on the market. And I always suggest you to make a clear vision and make a clear strategy that on which way do you want to earn money, and on which way do you want to maximize the return. And another thing is just thinking for a long term also is good. Okay, and now just try to see it here on 1 minute candle. Okay, now live trading is here. Now I think when this on 1 minute candle we are here, and when this will come around this, and then there will be our buying position. Okay, otherwise we will not buy anything. Okay, now this will be our buying position on support. Okay, and it is moving on upward direction. Let's see around this zone. This Maraguju candle is formed. We call it as a bullish Maraguju. Okay. Now another type of candle is also forming, and just wait for this phase, and just wait for here also. You can wait, and when you wait for a long term, then only there will be profit for you. If you just wait for a short term, then you cannot maximize your return. And as I have already said, that gold is the most traded commodity in the old. Okay, so we have to be careful because uh, here we have to earn money against the best trader and the best smartest person on the planet. So from all over the globe, people used to trade here. So we also have to be careful, because without setting a proper strategy, without any proper idea, then we cannot maximize our return. Now it is on support zone, and on the top it will be resistance. Okay, now here it will be resistance, support, and resistance. You can understand this term. And below this also, here also another support will be found here. Now this kind of support is found here. Okay, now support resistance can be seen, and on the top also, here also. Okay, let's try to predict the let's try to do some analysis, and if we did some analysis in the good way, then we can maximize the return. But if we didn't do any analysis, then there will be the less chance. Another thing is about this condition, and we'll just discuss on RSI also. Let make this RSI. RSI is on around 59. Okay, now 54. And RSI above 50 is considered as bullish zone. Okay, this type of, and it was around here. RSI was below 30, and which is considered as over sold zone. Okay, now we have made the RSI. Then next thing we'll add about MACD also. MACD line also, adding MACD line over here. MACD. Now we have added the MACD line, and MACD line is below the histogram line. And here, if the blue line got crossed over the red line also, this it will be the best buying position. Now it will be up here, and there will be the selling position. So don't be on a hurry. Okay, if we just be on a hurry, and if we just become a panic, then we cannot maximize the return. For maximizing the return, we have to be a patience, and we have to develop a full patience over here. Then only there will be the more chance for earning our money. Okay, hope all of you got it my point. And another thing is about the proper learning method. Okay, so if we didn't learn anything, then there will be the very hard chance to earn money for us. So always try to learn, and learning makes us to think, and learning makes us great to think above our need. Okay, so we have to learn something new day by day, because learning is a never-ending process. We have to learn from our cradle to cradle, means from birth to death. We all have to learn. Okay, and another thing is about the strategy. Most of the trader in the whole world, they are the best learner. They have learned very hard, so that's why they are the best trader in the world. If we didn't set up the proper strategy, if we didn't see the thing, what is happening in the world, and if we just didn't see the market condition, how this commodity market price will be affected, then there will be the very less chance then we can that we can earn profit. So being a long term learner is necessary, and always think for a long term. If we didn't think for a long term, then there will be very less chance for or there will be less chance to maximize the return. Okay, so be and I like to say that much more thing is the old class trader are also a great learner, and they have learned very much about this market, so they are great. And if they weren't great, they haven't learned, and they may be the less, and they have earned the very less amount of money from trading. So and now it is going upward, and now it will show some selling zone over here. Also consider this, and now we will use Bollinger Band also. Bollinger Band BB. We have used MACD line, then we will use Bollinger Band. And now here are three band, and when it touches this upper band, then there will be the overbought zone. Now they are selling this, and I think on here, if this chart will touches this line, then there will be the oversold zone, and there will be, and this is the best time to buy that also. So always do and think like this way, so we can get much more interest on our return, much more yielding. We can yield much more return. Okay, and there will be the best buying position on its support phase, and there will be the selling position on its resistance phase. Now you can see the return also, how it has provided the return. And another thing is about the market scenario. Predicting the market is very hard, so nobody can predict the whole market, and what's happening in the whole world we cannot predict that. Okay, so we cannot become the we cannot predict the whole market condition, so that this will be very hard. And another thing is about this setting the right timing and learning at the right time phase. If we just learn at the right time phase, then there will be the very high probability that we can earn profit. So if we didn't set the right timing, and if we didn't make it great for if we didn't thought this for right timing, then there will be the hard for us. So timing is also necessary. If we just bought the gold in the COVID time, then it will not provide the much more return, because there was quite fall in the market. Let's try to see this year on 2022. I think I have seen see here there was a fall on the market also. So here, and but this phase now it is increasing here also. So we all have to consider this, where to buy and where to sell. Gold is just for a long term also, and on long term also there will be the very best thing that maximizing the return is best for all of us. And hope all of you have understood what I am saying you about. So learning is not a great thing, but what we have learned from this video we have to implement on our trading strategy, then there will be the for profit. If we just learn and didn't implement anything, then we cannot get then we cannot maximize our return also. So learning is another part and implementing that is another part of trading. And just another thing is about developing the strategy with patience. If a person has good patience, then only they can be a great, okay. And if there is absence of the patience, then we cannot be a great trader, okay. So hope all of you understood what I am saying about. And this is for you learning the thing. And that's it for today, okay. Have a great day. And if you have any confusion, then try to comment on our comment section, and I'll try you to respond as I can. And due to the limited time, I am not making all the thing on my video YouTube channel. When I will graduate from my college, then I will upload regular video, because I have to also study for my university exam also.